Hello, Wylie, Texas. My name is Joe. I run AmericanRoofSupplements.com. I maximize roofing claims for roofers all over America. I've got some guys in the Dallas area, and I like them a lot. I've been doing supplements for them, and I'm trying to get them more customers for their businesses. Here's the thing, guys. I know that these guys are good because I get to see their work, And the thing about it is they're out and they're putting miles on their trucks and they're doing everything that they can to build their companies and to make it so the girls in the office are able to survive, and all that kind of stuff, And they're out and it's 8,000 degrees outside, So what if they can get a lead here and there, What if you raise your hand and you're like, hey, come out and check my roof. So that's all we're doing, Go ahead, click the link in the description, watch the video, fill out the form, and I'll have one of my guys come out. They'll check your roof. It's 100% complimentary, and we'll take you through the process of being able to get you a new roof through your insurance company. Super easy. If there's not enough damage, then we will put you on a list, and then we'll wait every 6, 12, 18 months until new storms come through, and we'll just periodically call you and say, hey, we're going to stop by sometime this week and we're going to check your roof, and we'll just wait until we've found enough damage. Real simple process. Go ahead, click the link in the description, fill out the form, and watch that video, and then one of my guys will call you and we'll get you set up on a complimentary roof checkup ASAP. Have a great day. Thank you so much, and we'll talk to you soon.